Previously on That Guy Outdoors, the journey continued in San Antonio, Texas, as I dropped off a new laptop for Dean. Seeking a change of scenery, I visited a local coffee shop to dive into some editing. Excitement filled the air as I acquired some new camera equipment, eager to test it out and enhance the visual storytelling of our adventures. Our stay at the Hidden Valley RV Park provided a perfect blend of convenience and beauty. Amidst the peaceful surroundings, we took care of practicalities like laundry and showers before packing up for the next leg of our journey. With the beach calling our names, we set off on a 4-hour drive to Surfside Beach on the Gulf of Texas. The drive was accompanied by tunes setting the stage for a beachside retreat. As the sun dipped below the horizon, we settled in for the night, only to wake up to the breathtaking beauty of a beach sunrise. The day began with our ritual of making everyday dose mushroom coffee and a morning stroll along the sandy shores. And now, as we pick up where we left off, join us this week as we continue to embrace the serenity of the beach before heading up to Ohio for a family-filled Turkey Day celebration. Well, good morning, everybody. It's coffee time. Oh, first sip. Got the fire going. It was a little chilly this morning, plus I'm trying to drive any bugs and mosquitoes away. Car set up here. Actually got one of the cameras back there. It was set up on a time lapse. You can see there's not much sun out there today. We got quite a few of these beautiful clouds though. Look at that. Oh man. What's that movie? Don't Look Up? Anyways. Bad joke, I guess. I have some research stuff I have to do. I want to start looking at planning out the trip if I'm going to make it to Baja, figuring out exactly what I'm doing after I get back from Ohio after the Thanksgiving holiday. I also have some photo editing and video editing I'm going to get done today so I don't have to mess with it while I'm supposed to be visiting friends and family. Actually, last night went and checked out Galveston Island Brewing. I would highly recommend it. Good people. They've actually got some pretty good sandwiches, but really good beer. If you got kids, they've got an outdoor play area. When I say an outdoor play area, they actually have like a playground kind of thing. If Christian had been with me, he would have enjoyed it. Little man would have loved it. But anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy the walk. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, well, hey everybody. Actually testing out a new mount for the phone. I actually think this might be a little bit more stable and better off for trying to film and record. So we'll see how this works.
Music play, 'cause life is still a mystery.
well, good morning, everybody. On my coffee, and I already got up this morning, booked up before the rain is supposed to be coming in. Also, it is time to head to Houston. Got about an hour and a half. We're gonna drive up to Houston, staying in a hotel tonight because it's also where I can leave the Cricket, and the Subaru there for the duration while I'm in Ohio. Got to take our drive, gonna enjoy it, crank up some tunes. We'll check in with you guys when we get up to the hotel. All right, everybody, so just trying to get a couple things out of the car here. We're at the hotel, and I am ready to head upstairs, grab a shower, start doing a little bit of editing work today, and get everything packed. Gonna come back out here and move the Cricket in a little while. But in the meantime, I'm gonna head upstairs to the hotel, get a shower, get cleaned up. Well, hey everybody, so time to pack. Flying out tomorrow morning from Houston and flying into Akron, Canton in Ohio. So we're gonna get everything packed up real quick. Figured this might give me a chance to let you guys see kind of everything that I have, what I work with, and what it looks like when I pack to take a trip. I'm gonna start out, got my Peak Designs camera cube. Obviously got my drone. For those of you who don't know, this is a DJI Mini 3 Pro. That's what I use for all my drone footage. I have 4 batteries for it. That goes in. I've got my wide angle lens, my set of ND filters. We will get those dropped in here. My DJI Ohm 5, I believe this one was, but this is my gimbal for the phone. Just recently got this, pretty simple purchase from Amazon. It is a suction cup mount, an articulating arm, so I can get different angles inside the car. My Lumix S5 Mark II X, filming with it and photos. So many of the still photos that you guys might find on my Instagram page are gonna be from that. I packed my headlamp. I've always got my headlamp with me. This is currently being used, but it's gonna go in and I'll just add the rest of the stuff in a little bit. But this is my new mic set. My controller for the drone and the battery pack for the drone, it's still charging, so we're gonna let that go for a little bit. I have my 10-foot charging cable for my phone. In the Cricket, it comes in handy. And that pretty much covers the camera stuff for the moment. The clothes. This is gonna be one of my favorite parts. You guys have heard me talk about it before, but TEREN Designs is most of the clothing that I have and wear the majority of the time. Definitely not only good for outdoor use, as I mentioned before, it's also great for travel. The majority of the stuff that I have, TEREN Designs travel tees, the t-shirts, they are antimicrobial. One of my favorite things about this stuff, guys, is I can wear the same clothes for many days at a time and they don't smell. Pair of old Army PT shorts, they're kind of my sleeping gear. The TEREN Design Traveler Pants. They are quick dry, antimicrobial, stain releasing. They also have permethrin built into them, so they are anti-bug. They are anti-wrinkle. Thus why traveling with stuff like and clothing like this is so wonderful. You can just roll everything up and it all has a perfect spot. The TEREN Designs Daily Driver button-downs, the long sleeve version. So these are really cool shirts. They are 4-way stretch. You know, TEREN really did a good job with these shirts. I wear these things on a regular basis. I can wear them when I'm out hiking. When I hiked up to Mount Baker, the Fire Watch Tower, if you didn't catch that video, I'll link it above. They're comfortable for being outdoors. I wear them when I am going into town. They have collar stays. Check this out. These collar stays are flint and steel. Again, the guys really put a lot of thought and effort into these shirts. Never had any issues with wrinkling, I mean, you guys see how I live. I live in my cricket, on the road. I travel all the time. Perfect shirts for that. And I'm going for 9 days. This is all I'm packing, guys. What I'm wearing tomorrow, another pair of the TEREN Designs traveler pants in the brown. My charcoal TEREN Designs daily driver long sleeve button-up shirt. But this will be what I wear for the airport. Again, comfortable for a full day of traveling, but I could still look nice. The socks. So, big fan. I have all the same type of socks. I have the Darn Tough is the brand that I use. I've got my Arc'teryx belt and then my REI stocking cap. Now, I know, I'm going to Ohio. It's November. It's gonna be cold. I'm not packing a jacket. And there is a reason. Once we get up there, I have my TEREN Designs Campfire Puffy 2.0. This is an amazing jacket. I'm telling you, when we get up there, I'll show you guys all about it. There it is. Close. Done. Everything goes in my Gregory Zulu 45. I've got my little REI traveler pouch here. I keep some change in it, throw my wallet in there, my keys. I'm gonna get ready for bed. We roll out of here at 4 a.m. Have a good night. All right, well, good morning, everybody. So just about to walk out and head downstairs. Gotta just double check the Cricut and the Subaru, make sure everything's locked up. But we already got news. Again, the new channel name should be Unexpected Adventures. So already got notice that the flight has been delayed severely, which means I would not have a connecting flight in Charlotte because I'm flying from Houston to Charlotte, Charlotte to Akron, Canton, Ohio. Yeah. So it looks like instead of arriving at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we're not arriving until 8 p.m. However, I can't cancel my lift because it's already paid for and I scheduled it last night. So they're gonna be here at 4 o'clock in the morning and it looks like our flight isn't even gonna leave until somewhere around 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we're gonna go spend the day at the airport. Time for a new adventure. Anyways, we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Well, good morning, everybody. Obviously, sitting inside, actually at my mother's house in Ohio. The house that I grew up in. Came back for Thanksgiving and to visit a few people. And maybe somebody you guys might recognize from some previous adventures. Can he do more than stick his tongue out this time, though? There it is, as I steal it. Oh. Anyways, so we're actually sitting here, getting ready to post this week's video. Well, this will be, whatever posted the day before Thanksgiving. So this video, you guys see, this should come out in a few weeks. But this is how I'm enjoying my morning coffee. Don't you tickle me. And see, he's ornery. He's ornery. Time out. Hey, you're gonna make me spill my coffee. This is how I'm enjoying my morning coffee today. Editing, hanging out with this munchkin, little man. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'll talk to you guys later. Don't, you're gonna make me spill my coffee. I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. We'll take you guys along for some of the adventures. Well, good morning, everybody. You know what time it is. Coffee and a walk time. It is Thanksgiving Day. I'm actually back in my hometown, back up in Ohio. Spending the day today with little man. He's back at the house. I go for my walk every morning, so it's my peaceful time. It's my enjoyment. Gonna enjoy the day. Got some family coming over. Yeah, really, that's about it. Just gonna do Turkey Day. I'm out on the Iron Horse Trail, which happens to run right through the neighborhood that I grew up in. I'm gonna go enjoy my walk and my morning and my coffee and I'll check in with you guys sometime tomorrow. Y'all enjoy your turkey days. We'll catch you later. Oh, hey everybody, so decided to come out on Black Friday. Instead of doing some shopping, we're getting ourselves a beer and a pizza. What do you got to say?
Hi.
Well, good morning, everybody. Out for a little bit of a drive, not just a fun drive. Do have the coffee, and I think there's something else in the car too. Someone else. Is he hiding back there? Somebody's ready to go to school. So we are dropping him off at school today, and then I'm gonna head out to do some editing and probably make a run over to the VA. Yeah, there we go. All right, anyways, we're gonna go drop him off. We're about to pull up to the school, and we'll check in with you guys later. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Currently on my way from Alliance over to Louisville. I'm going to check out yet another coffee shop. Guys, it's kind of perfect weather for me to go sit in a coffee shop, do some editing. It's cold. Got my beanie on. Got my TEREN Campfire Puffy 2.0 jacket on. It's an amazing jacket, by the way. There will be a link down below. If you're interested in any of these stuff from TEREN Designs, please check it out. It'll help keep these adventures going. I am going to crank my music up, and I've got probably about 10 minutes till I get to the coffee shop. So I'm gonna crank my music up, get in the mood, and we'll check in with you guys when we get there. Thanks for joining me on That Guy Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you had a favorite moment, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for additional information, resources, and any gear I used in today's episode. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Share this episode with a friend who needs a dose of outdoor inspiration. As always, join me next week as I continue the journey into the great outdoors, exploring new landscapes, meeting incredible people, and uncovering the wonders of nature. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next episode.